Bapinyo ia ki kubor baman lagas ni warklet ban subscribe ya kana ika channel kana kicha.
Sri Abu Tahir Mandal, Minister in charge, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to 20 MT gross weight or less shall be allowed to pass one vehicle at a time over the Umiam Dam.
Supplementary question, please.
Sir, may I know where the possession of the original reports of plan, design, safety parameters, and load capacity of the bridge?
Yes, sir.
It's old now. So may I know whether any retrofitting or improvement work to strengthen the bridge has taken place or not?
To assess the condition of the concrete gravity dam of the Umiam stage 1 of hydroelectric power. So traffic condition and the vibration measurement were studied twice by the Central Water and Power Research Station, Pune, a developed department of the Water Resources, River Department, and Ganga Rejuvenation under the Ministry of Jal Shakti Government of India. Subsequently, a study was also carried out by IIT. So, as per their reports, the vibration are still under the controllable limit. However, they have suggested for retrofitting of the bridge so that the bridge can withstand the increased traffic condition. So, on that basis, we have done the safety audit of the bridge over spillway of Umiam, concrete dam, and rehabilitation of bridges over spillway Umiam concrete dam is being carried on.
So, I'm not clear with the reply. Does it mean that retrofitting and improvement work has already been carried?
Yes, sir, it is being carried.
So, sir, we know that the imposition of load restriction was done only after the intervention of the Honorable High Court via the order which has been explained by the Honorable Minister, which means that prior to this, there was no restriction on the load capacity of trucks plying through that bridge. Therefore, sir, I feel, as a layman also, I could understand that the bridge must have been in a deterioration condition in its internal load resisting capacity. So how can you measure such unseen parameters inside the concrete of the bridge, and even steel reinforcement must have corroded inside? Therefore, there is every possibility that this bridge may collapse one day. So how can we get the assurance and the guarantee that such a disaster in waiting will not happen?
Sir, government is seized with the problem that we are facing at Umiam Bridge. And accordingly, government has taken initiative that another road can be constructed. And accordingly, DPR was on the process of being made that another road on the upper stream of the bridge be constructed. Then the department had gone with the Geological Survey of India for their report whether it will be feasible or not. And at that point of time, as the distance is very short from the bridge, the Geological Survey is of the view that we cannot have this bridge because of the boring, then blasting. It may affect the bridge and also the spillway. So accordingly, they have told that no, you go for alternative way. Accordingly, the department, PWD and the National Highway Infrastructure Development Authority. They are trying to get another route so that we can avoid this bridge and the new road can be constructed. Moreover, sir, this stretch of road, as per the norms laid by the National Highway Authority of India, is qualified for 4-laning. So that process is being on, sir.
Sir, in the reply of the Honorable Minister, has mentioned that according to the notification issued by the government, that the load will be strictly allowed within 20 metric tons. So, may I know, how do you ensure that there is a 24/7 monitoring on the movement of vehicles over that bridge? Is there any CCTV being fixed around that bridge? The government say that they have posted police personnel, but these can be bribed, and the bribe has already taken place in many cases. So may I know, how do you ensure that there is a 24/7 monitoring?
Sir, Transport Department being the nodal department to check the weights, that's why the instruction has been given, and accordingly they have come with notifications. And so also the DC of both the Riboi and East Kashi Hills are being alerted. They are also aware of with the situation, including the Home Police Department. Whatever it be, but the honorable member's suggestion that whether we can install CCTV camera or not, this matter will be examined, sir.
Yes, Bahir Winston, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I know from the Honorable Minister in charge of power the lifespan of the dam at Umiam?
Sir, actually, as per the construction, the lifespan already expired. That's why we are doing this retrofitting so that the life can be extended to some extent.
Sir,
Yes, Bryce Tawel.
may I
Mabanian, please.
ask the Minister in charge power, in case the bridge fail, has the government prepared to prevent any disaster? For example, installation of a warning system like siren or other forms of communications, list of headmen, disaster team in the district of Ribhoi, and awareness of people living downstream.
Mr. Speaker, sir, as I have already mentioned, that the Central Water and Power Research Station, which is a renowned institution from the Government of India organization, and moreover, the IIT Guwahati has already studied. So far, there is no much danger, but however, it is a good suggestion. Will be taken note of it, sir.